In this video, I'll show you how to invite a contributor on Squarespace step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the site where you want to add a contributor. Once you're in, you'll see your site's main dashboard with the home menu on the left side of the screen. Now, click the settings icon. That's the cogwheel icon in the left sidebar of your dashboard. A large settings panel will open with multiple categories. In that settings panel, locate and click on Permissions and Ownership. You might need to scroll through the categories to find it. Once you click it, the Permissions and Ownership panel opens. Inside the Permissions and Ownership panel, you'll see an Invite Contributor button. Click on that, an Invite Contributor window will pop up. In that window, enter the contributor's name and email address in the fields provided. Fill in their details in the name field and the email address field. Below those fields, you'll see permission toggles. Switch the toggles to give the contributor permissions based on how they'll contribute to your site. You can assign them multiple roles or make them an administrator so they have all permissions. The available permissions include website editor, blog editor, store manager, billing, analytics, and others depending on your plan. Toggle on the ones you want them to have. Once you've set the permissions, click the Invite button at the bottom of the window. The invitation window will close, and your invited contributor will appear under Invite Sent. A couple of quick tips. Your contributor will receive an email invitation with the subject line New Squarespace Contributor Invitation. The email will have an Accept Invitation button they click to join. If they're not seeing the email, have them check their spam folder or search for No Reply at squarespace.com. This catches most missing invitation issues. If they still can't find it, you have a backup option. Click their contributor profile under Invite Sent and copy the invitation link to send it to them manually. Once they accept, they'll appear in your contributors list and can access the site with the permissions you assigned. Thanks for watching.